You say you're tired. Tired of people. Tired of life. Tired of trying. But what if you're not tired? What if your soul is just empty? Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam, and you're listening to the Tawakkul Path, a place where we don't just heal emotions, we reconnect hearts to Allah. You wake up tired even after sleeping 8 hours. You scroll for hours, watch videos, laugh at reels, but when the phone is down, there's a heaviness in your chest, a quiet sadness, a restlessness you cannot explain, and you call it exhaustion. But Allah says in the Qur'an, "Verily, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest." Notice something. Allah did not say in money is rest. He did not say in love is rest. He did not say in attention is rest. He said, in His remembrance, you're feeding your body, you're feeding your desires, you're feeding your distractions. But when was the last time you fed your soul? When was the last time you prayed slowly? When was the last time you made dua, not for something, but just to talk to Allah? Your heart is not broken, it is disconnected. And no human being can replace what only Allah can feel. Not that person you miss, not the validation you chase, not the future you're dreaming about. Your soul is starving and you are trying to cure it with temporary things. This is why nothing feels enough. The truth is, you don't need a new life, you need a new connection. Go back to sujood, cry if you have to, open the Qur'an, even if it's just one ayah, because the emptiness you feel is not a punishment, it is an invitation. Allah is calling you back. So tonight, instead of scrolling until you feel asleep, sit for 5 minutes, close your eyes and say, Ya Allah, I feel lost, bring me back to you, and watch out how your tired heart begins to breathe again. This is the Tawakkul Path, and your soul deserves to be fed.